As you see, what we're looking for around the vehicle, we're trying to see how best it was worked on before being delivered to us. We realized this car was just delivered to us with some filler work done on it. Now we realized there were some deformities in the filler applications, okay, of which if it's not corrected, the final finish work on the car will not come out slick. Now another practical example is with the plastic bumper. You don't have to use the cement type of filler to work on it. You need to use what we call the fiber filler. Okay, fiber filler is a product that is malleable when used from plastic material for mending. But unfortunately, they use the cement-based filler, okay, which cracks or dents on it. It begins to crack and peel off. Okay, so under normal circumstances, you need to use the fiber filler to work on plastic material so it can bond properly and give you the best of finish when the work is done. Now, let's just watch this. And you can realize that there's supposed to be a gap in between the bumper and the body. This is supposed to be the body, this is the bumper. There's supposed to be a gap separating the bumper from the body. But having applied the filler work, okay, from another technician, what they choose to do was to apply the filler completely to bond the body and the bumper together, and then just draw a line to show and indicate that there's supposed to be a line here. But there's not supposed to be a line, it's supposed to be a gap. There's supposed to be a gap in between the bumper and the body, so that there will be a complete detachment of the body from the bumper. If this is not done, and in future they have to do any mechanical work on the car for which they have to drop the bumper, what that means is that the filler have bonded the bumper and the body together, and so that means they will have to crack it up before removing the bumper, which will end up giving a lot of work because they will have to respray the whole area again. And so usually it's advisable that when technicians are working on vehicles, they take note of the separation, okay, that is indicated on the body contour. Now let's see how it works here. When you watch carefully, originally this has a gap that I've indicated here. There is a standard gap that separates the bumper from the body, and so this is how originally it's supposed to be to the other side as well, so you can have a standard uniform finish when you finish working on the car. And so these are some of the critical things we look out for at Cecil to be able to give you the best of finish to your car.